We have 20 contestants, participants, and we're gonna have 3 lucky winners. I'm gonna write the numbers here. Number maybe along with the names. I'll write it here, and I'll pick 3 lucky numbers and a name, and it'll be announced tonight at 9. This is the name and the serial number that I've written, and I'm gonna make 2 side folds. Good evening, Tanai Liu Liangmai Global Liangmai Gu Administrators Managana LSC Gu Winners Prediction Gu Competition Kaibatinga. So my gang participant Yukaye, that's my gangra Pakai Kamagulam, what is up in Predicam Kamitinga, the Zanse qualified to Mamine. So the way Haga qualified to blue was my Kamakaiba. Is a Kamakai good results at the way declared here like comes of made Kamakai with the Zan has a Kamatuna Zansa. The Zan Kadit number, serial number plus name has a Kaimide. So I'll just 3 lucky winners to have a pick tune, Susan Lipodi, Susan Kaida. Sauna have a contest in Namarlo, Namibulo to see what thing Molanka Linkane. The first lucky number that I'm gonna pick is lucky one. Okay, this lucky number 6. Amon Abonmai. Lucky number 6. Amon Abonmai. I said that winner Tamde. First, this is the lucky number. Winner Kangnia Bamkaya. So I'm gonna pick the second one. It's gonna be the lucky one. This is another lucky one. Serial number 8. Halagbo Tumai. Serial number 8. I said the second winner. Okay, this is the last lucky winner of this contest. I said. So this is my Kamakai Rondaramne. Okay, I pick up this one. Serial number 4, Myri. Serial number 4. I just have no kang that. Lucky winner Tamne. Halagbo Tumai, Amon Abonmai, and Myri. This is a Haimnagam. Kang Som Hasana 2020.
Saying the truth in everything you do.